Of course, as always, on a dash cam, it was much closer than it appears. Cruise control was on with 2 car lengths command activated. I was approaching the exit, and the lane is all clear behind me. But, you guessed it, can't merge behind me, has to squeeze in between 2 cars to take the exit. Notice he has to brake to slow down to not run into the back of the car ahead of me when he's moving over. You can see my car automatically slow down to create the 2 car length distance again. That gives you an idea of how close the squeeze was. Why do people do this?